Welcome guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm excited and I'm so stoked that I'm going to be installing on my Mark 7.5 GTI a custom catback. I know guys, it's gonna be so sick, it's gonna sound amazing, it's gonna be loud, it's gonna have all the droning and all that great stuff. I'm excited for it. And yeah, let's get today's video and let's go get this thing done.
Most people do is they leave this on, and then they do the back one. It sounds really good, and then if you decide you want to get this done later, you can always take it. It'll be real loud without holding.
If you made it this far into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and also comment down below what you want to see next done to the GTI. And also, I'm sorry for the shortage of this video. I apologize. Next video is going to be a more in-depth video of the exhaust and drive-bys, pulls, and cold start. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you on this one. Peace out.